am so glad that I made the decision to come to Travel Quest World.
The excitement, the energy that everybody puts into it makes it fun. It makes you want to be here.
It's just a great, energizing environment, and you come away with so much more knowledge to reinvigorate your business.
I'm always looking forward to connecting with other people and catching up with agents I know and meeting agents I don't, but also with the suppliers. I get a lot of value out of the FaceTime with suppliers.
So when you come here and you get to meet all these people, it's just so wonderful because you come back with a whole new set of ideas.
I feel more capable to serve a variety of clients with a variety of travel requests.
So far, it's been an amazing opportunity for me to help build my business. It always energizes me to go sell more travel.
It's grown and just gets better and better every year, and I'm very glad that I can call Travel Quest my host agency.
It's an opportunity that you just don't have very often, so it is. It's my top priority for a trade show.